Welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. Today we'll be doing part 2 of the makeover to my guest bedroom. Good morning, everyone. I finished my painting, took the blinds down because I'm going to replace them. Actually going today to get them. And I also did my wallpaper. Okay guys, bear with me because there's no blinds and the sun is really bright in this room. This is the wallpaper. Beautiful, beautiful. Would highly recommend. It's actually a contact paper, but it turned out wonderfully. So, as I was saying before, in this room, there's this big monster bed. It's going away today. Hey! And I have started to shop for things. I purchased a new headboard for the room. And the dilemma is, I'm gonna stand back once again. And when I put the new bed together, I have to figure out where to put it. Like I said, the room has an odd shape because it has that little bump out there on this particular wall. And if I walk around, you'll see what I'm talking about. That's the bump out. So to put a bed there and with the door being there, not sure. And it is a queen size headboard, so we shall see. I might have to go back and put it on the window, under the window here, because I'm gonna go back so you can see this wall is the largest wall in the room, but it has the window. Could put it as you walk in the door, give you a full view, use that footboard, all the way that way. I could put it there, but can't do that because I have a radiator. And also, I did paint the radiator. I used my metallic paint by Modern Masters, and I painted the radiator, which turned out beautifully. It's pretty cold outside, or chilly outside. So I'm gonna take that out of the window today and hang my new blinds and put my bed together, and I'll come back and show you the different spaces where the bed is before I make a decision. So stay tuned guys, and I'll be back in an hour or so. I finished taking the big monster out of the room. I set the new bed up that I purchased. Love, love, love it. It's bigger than I anticipated. Again, I didn't see it before I purchased it. You know how you go and purchase things online. But this is the bed. And I debated which wall I wanted to put it on, and I just decided to go ahead and put it in front of the window because that little cul-de-sac works really well for the bed, and it allows me to get a small nightstand on both sides of the bed. So that's where I put the bed. I brought up my first project that I did for this room, the little dresser. Have to get a mirror for it, as well as the chest. These are the two pieces that I did finish for the room. That's where I am so far with the room. Paint is up, trim is painted, new blinds put up, the shades came down, put up new blinds, window blinds. I had to close the front one because the sun is coming in. Love, love, love it. Also finished my wallpaper, as you can see. So when I come back, guys, I'll be coming back with the room dressed up. I will be taking pieces probably from other parts of the room. I'm going to try to do everything from bedding to floor for $500. So see where I come within that budget. So I'm gonna dress the room and I'll be back. Entering my guest bedroom, and the project is complete. I think it turned out really beautiful. I'm just gonna scan the room so you guys can compare it to what it looked like before. Here we are. Isn't it wonderful? Starting with the bed. The bed I got from a local store called Calumet Furniture, and I think it was about $800. My drapes I got from Amazon, and they were $24.99 a pair. I have 2 pairs behind the window, and the shears came from a local store, and they were $14.99 a pair, and it's 2 pairs behind the window. The shears I absolutely love. They have like a little silver sparkle in them. Get a little closer so you can see. See that little silver sparkle? Really, really beautiful. And it does match the rug on the floor. It's white with the little sparkles in it wonderfully. Now the nightstand here, of course, is not finished. I got that from a local thrift store, and I paid $10 for it, and I plan to update it. I'm going to use resin for the first time. I want to make the front some type of resin, whether it's glitter or crushed glass. So you gotta watch, guys, to see how that turns out. My bedding is 7-piece, and I got it from overstock.com. It was returned in an open package, and I got it for less than $30. My pillow shams in the silver is a damask print, and it's a pillow cover, and I got those from Amazon, and they were $16.99 a pair. The white pillow, fur pillow, I've had forever, as well as the gray one, and I think I got that from Marshall some years ago. But I love my bed. I love it. I love the little crystals in it. It is really, really pretty. The fur throw was about $18, and it came from a local store as well. I'm spinning around by the window. I do want a chair. This chair came from my dining room. I reupholstered my dining room chairs. But this is the captain's chair, and I was just trying to figure out what to do with that. So that will be another project for me. And of course, there's my little stool that I added a storage shelf to. And it's sitting there. Turned out really nice. It fits the room nice. Now, this is the rug that I was telling you about. Absolutely stunning. It is so thick. The hairs are long. It is so plush. And as I get closer, you can see the little silver sparkles in the rug. And here is the bench that I've made, and it's sitting at the foot of the bed. Works out perfectly there. The legs match the legs on the bed, and the throw came from Wish, and I want to say I paid $9.99 for it, and I've had it forever, but it fits perfectly on the bench. Over here on the side of the bed is another nightstand I got from Goodwill for about $10. I had to paint it and add the mirror front. Also, here's one of the vases that I upgraded, and I did make the coaster so that my nightstand won't get water rings if people put drinks down. Swinging around to the lamp in the corner, it was another one of my projects. Now, I don't have any footage of me making this because I was unaware how I was going to make it work, but it turned out beautifully. And if you guys want to see that, just put it in the comments and I can make another one. The roses on the wall were 2 for $9.99 from a local store. I did put silver metallic paint on the leaves to put a little gold because they were gold, and I added the silver. The glass mirrors part of them were broken, so I got them for $7. Over here is the little dresser that I brought up, the first project that I did for the room. On top, I made the little tray to put my fragrance and a flower on. And above the dresser is the mirror that I got from Marshall's, and it was $29.99. Now it is a bit small, but I love the mirror, so it will stay. The sconces I made, but again, it was something that I made and I don't have any footage of that. So if you guys are enjoying this, let me know. And this is one of the pieces that I made for my daughter. She hasn't picked it up. And here's the dresser. And over here is the mirror that I finished. I glammed up. My sister was gonna throw the mirror in the trash, and I took it off her basement wall. And that's what it looks like now. So now you guys have seen what my upgrade to my guest bedroom, how it turned out. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have and you like the content, please push that subscribe button. Make sure you share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed evening. And I'll see you in the next one.